Hi and welcome. My name is Erin, and here on my channel, I show you how to create your very own bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY face and body oil that is suitable for all skin types. This particular formula is fast absorbing, non-greasy, and contains a couple exotic oils that are great for healthy looking skin. This is a great beginner formula, so let me go ahead and walk you through the step-by-step process on how I make this. To begin making this face and body oil, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weigh out into my beaker some Meadow Foam oil. This carrier oil is a lightweight, fast absorbing, non-greasy oil. And I'm going to go over with you what it will do for the different skin types. So with oily and acne prone skin, it's going to help to balance sebum production and also reduce inflammation. For dry and normal skin, it will help to provide moisture and hydration. For sensitive skin, it's going to help to soothe any irritation present on the skin. For any aging or mature skin, it's going to help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, for all the different skin types, it will help to build a stronger outer layer or barrier of skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some Baruti oil. This is an exotic fruit oil that contains a natural antioxidant called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is responsible for giving this oil that beautiful orange color. This oil is great for lightening and reducing dark spots that are caused by sun damage. It's also going to be helpful for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it is going to be very moisturizing and hydrating for skin cells too. I'm going to go ahead and add some kiwi seed oil. This is high in vitamin C, omega-3 and 6 linoleic acid, and this is going to be very good for the skin because it's going to be moisturizing, but it's also going to be very helpful when it comes to fading any dark spots. Vitamin E oil is what I'm adding now, and this is going to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients in this formula, but it's also going to be great for any inflammation or redness that might appear on the skin. Lastly, I'm adding some jasmine essential oil. This is going to be very hydrating for the skin, as well as it's going to help to even out the skin tone and regulate sebum production. Not only that, but it has a wonderful floral and fruity scent to it. Once the jasmine essential oil has been added, I'm going to go ahead and stir this really well to incorporate all the different ingredients together. And then it's time for me to go ahead and pour this body and face oil into my dropper bottle. Now, this particular formula will make approximately 2 ounces. So if you're wanting to make a larger batch size, just go ahead and double the formula that I provided for you. With this oil, it does absorb very quickly into the skin and it leaves a nice texture behind. So you don't have that oily greasiness, but just a light feel. It feels really nice. It's hard to describe. But anyhow, this is an oil that can be used daily or as often as needed. This is a great beginner-friendly formula because it doesn't require any heating. I'm now going to go ahead and take some of this oil and I'll be applying it to my skin. I want to give you a good idea on how well this absorbs into the skin, but also that it's not going to stain the skin. I know sometimes when you have oils that are that deep orange color, you often wonder, is that going to stain the skin? And here you can see that it does not. Once I have rubbed everything in, I'm going to show you by using a piece of tissue that there is no greasy residue that is left behind. This is a very easy to put together formula, and I definitely enjoyed creating this. As always, here are some substitutions for this formula. For the meadow foam oil, I have used jojoba oil in the past and felt like it was a good alternative here in this formula. For the buriti oil, use argan oil. Instead of the kiwi seed oil, grapeseed oil is going to be a wonderful choice. It's also a lot less expensive. In place of the jasmine essential oil, some good options are geranium and yang yang essential oils. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.